Amid the rapid changes in the world of communication, we believe that every idea, story, and creative work has the power to connect people and create a meaningful impact on society. Here, students learn to understand media, technology, and the dynamics of communication more closely.
Selamat datang di program studi Ilmu Komunikasi.
Since its establishment in 1994, the Department of Communication Science has continued to grow and adapt to the development of media, technology, and digital communication, with a vision to advance communication science rooted in national defense values and committed to contributing to society through innovative research and communication practices. We have earned quality recognition through national and international accreditation achievements. This achievement reflects our commitment to providing communication education that is high quality, adaptive, and relevant to the changing world. We prioritize project-based learning because we believe the best learning process comes from real creative experiences. Every idea, process, collaboration, and student work is valued as an important part of their journey to becoming creative and professional communication practitioners. Therefore, at the end of each semester, students' works are appreciated through various events, exhibitions, festivals, and showcases as a space to present their learning outcomes while strengthening their portfolios for the future. To support creative and experience-based learning, we provide various laboratories as spaces for students to practice, explore, and produce their work. Each laboratory serves as a place for students to experiment, collaborate, discover their creative style, and build their portfolios throughout their studies. At the UPN Television Laboratory, students explore the world of digital broadcasting and television production. They learn to design programs, operate cameras, appear on screen, and actively create professional audio-visual content. At the UPN Radio Laboratory, students learn to develop program ideas, practice voice production, and manage audio content in radio and podcast production. At the Cyber Public Relations Laboratory, students learn about big data, social network analysis, digital conversation analysis, media monitoring, and online reputation management. At Kin Komunikasi Film Laboratory, students learn to develop story ideas, write scripts, operate production equipment, direct scenes, and create creative visual works. At Exfo's Photography Laboratory, students learn to capture moments, explore visual storytelling, understand composition, lighting, and angles, and create meaningful photographic works. At the Advertising and Creative Laboratory ***, students learn to develop creative ideas, design communication campaigns, understand branding and audience behavior, and produce works that are relevant to the creative industry. At the Department of Communication Science, every student is given the space to learn, explore, create, and discover their best potential. Here, creativity meets knowledge, technology, collaboration, and values that create meaningful impact for society. Together with us, the future of communication is not only learned, but also created.
Mari bergabung bersama Prodi Ilmu Komunikasi.